Hi, this is section 11.4, objective 3. Again, we do not cover objective 2 because it's optional. Normally I do, but I think this semester I just decided not to, so I took that out of the homework. In this section, you're going to be solving radical equations that lead to quadratic equations. So the thing you want to do is get the radical by itself, square each side, solve it, and then always check your answers, because whenever you have square roots and you square them, you always sometimes end up with extra answers that don't work. Okay, so today, for this video, I'm going to do this example right here. I'll do this one in another video, so just kind of ignore that for right now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is square each side, and then I want to bring everything to the left-hand side and put it in quadratic form. So I subtract 5z and I subtract 4. Okay, now at this point, this does actually factor pretty nicely. I know in the answer sheet, she did actually factor it. Just for a different option, I thought I would show you, using the quadratic formula, that you get the same answers. So I decided to use the quadratic formula. So my a is 1, that's a 1z squared. My b is -5, and my c is 4. Okay, so it's negative b. So b is -5, so negative b would be 5. Plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Okay, the denominator just becomes 2. This becomes 25. And 4 times 1 times 4 gives me 16. From here to here, all I did was add the two things in the radical. I guess subtract. 25 minus 16 gives me 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So here are my two answers. One is a plus, one is a minus. 5 plus 3 gives me 8 over 2, which is 4. And 5 minus 3 gives me 2 over 2, which is 1. And again, whenever you have a radical and you square it, you always sometimes end up with extra answers, so you always want to check your answers. So I checked it up over here. I checked the two results, 4 and 1. 4 worked. Again, I plugged in 4. This is the original equation right here. I plugged in 4 for z, and you can see that's true. And then I plugged in 1, and that was true as well. So both of them actually work here. So again, I'll do this one on the next video.